Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today for another holiday side. Now, I want to tell you that this one is the easiest thing you could ever make. So easy, in fact, that I run to it whenever I need a starch on my plate. And it's just corn. But I'm making it the way my mom used to do. And what you need is a saucepan. And you're going to put in 1/4 cup of plant milk. Why plant milk? Why milk at all? I have no idea. But this is how she used to make it, and I really, really loved it. So you're going to get this so that it boils, and then we're going to add 2 cups of frozen corn. It's boiling. Now you're going to just spoon in. That's good. Turn the burner down. You want to keep heating it through, because the frozen corn is already cooked. But you want to keep heating it through until it gets warm enough and the kernels separate. You see how they're nice and separated? You don't really see the coating of the milk, but it is there. Okay? And then after you do that, the milk did that.
Oh, the milk did that?
Yeah, it was clean.
Oh, I see.
So you're going to put in 5 to 7 turns of black pepper from your pepper mill. Now, I like it a little bit spicy, so I use 7, but you could use as few as 5 if you'd like. This is 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Put that in. Stir a little bit more. It's boiling now, and you're done. You have corn that is, milk infused with little salt and pepper, and that's it. And you're going to put it on your plate. Now, these are things that I eat. This is a vegan meatloaf that I have never shared with you, but it is quite delicious. Collards sprayed with a little bit of Bragg's. And here is the corn that we just did. It makes for a nice presentation, nice side. Corn anytime is good to me. Makes a nice side, doesn't it? Look at that plate. You can throw this on your plate for the holidays or not for the holidays, because it's easy, it's fast, and it does taste good if you like corn. Okay, that's it. That's the side that I wanted to share with you today. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Leave some comments. I'll put how you do this below so that you'll know. And enjoy your sides, okay, at Christmas. So until next time, bye for now.